The Avro Lancaster dropped 608,612 tons of bombs, including the 22,000-pound Grand Slam. The Tiger Moth trained thousands of Commonwealth pilots. The Horsa glider carried troops into Normandy. This is Part 2, completing every British aircraft that fought in World War II, covering heavy bombers, maritime patrol, transport, training, and assault gliders.
Heavy bombers. Let's begin with heavy bombers. Short Stirling. Short Stirling, 2,383 produced. RAF's first 4-engine heavy bomber, entering service August 1940. 4 Bristol Hercules engines, 1,650 horsepower each, 270 miles per hour. 14,000 pounds bomb load. Limited ceiling hampered high-altitude operations. Despite limitations, spearheaded early bombing raids before reassignment to transport and glider towing roles. Handley Page Halifax. Handley Page Halifax, 6,176 built. Powerful, crucial heavy bomber. Bomber Command Pillar alongside Lancaster. 4 Rolls-Royce Merlin or Bristol Hercules engines, 282 miles per hour. 13,000 pounds bomb load. Highly versatile aircraft, eventually favored for transport, special operations, coastal reconnaissance roles. Avro Lancaster. Avro Lancaster, 7,377 produced. Most famous successful British heavy bomber, legendary status. 4 Rolls-Royce Merlin engines, 1,280 horsepower each, 287 miles per hour. 14,000 pounds standard bomb load, 22,000 pounds Grand Slam special missions. Executed celebrated raids including Dam Busters mission. Flying boats and maritime patrol. Moving to flying boats and maritime patrol. Short Sunderland. Short Sunderland, 749 built. Known as Flying Porcupine by Germans due to heavy defensive armament. 4 Bristol Pegasus or Pratt Whitney engines, 213 miles per hour. 12 to 18.303-inch guns. Massive flying boat provided crucial anti-submarine reconnaissance patrols over Atlantic. Supermarine Walrus. Supermarine Walrus, 740 produced. Ungainly pusher propeller amphibious biplane, catapult launched from warships. Bristol Pegasus 6-engine, 775 horsepower, 135 miles per hour. 2 to 3.303-inch guns. Performed naval spotting, reconnaissance, crucial air-sea rescue missions throughout conflict. Supermarine Sea Otter. Supermarine Sea Otter, 292 built. Slightly larger, more powerful successor to Walrus amphibious design. Bristol Mercury XXX engine, 870 horsepower, 150 miles per hour, 3.303-inch guns. Continued vital naval spotting, search and rescue work in later war stages. Supermarine Stranraer. Supermarine Stranraer, only 40 produced. Obsolete biplane flying boat relegated to training and coastal patrol duties early war. Twin Bristol Pegasus X engines, 875 horsepower each, 165 miles per hour. Reminder of RAF's rapid transition from biplanes to monoplanes. Saro London. Saro London, 31 built. Large, reliable biplane flying boat served initially on reconnaissance patrol missions. Twin Bristol Pegasus X engines, 915 horsepower each, 155 miles per hour. Quickly replaced by superior monoplane designs like Sunderland. Utility reconnaissance. Continuing with utility reconnaissance. Westland Wallace. Westland Wallace, 68 produced. Venerable pre-war general-purpose biplane used extensively for training secondary duties. Bristol Pegasus 4-engine, 680 horsepower, 158 miles per hour. already RAF veteran by war beginning, served until retirement. Transport and general purpose. Next, transport and general purpose aircraft. Bristol Bombay. Bristol Bombay, only 50 built. Primarily used as troop transport, especially in Middle East and Africa theaters. Twin Bristol Pegasus, 22 engines, 1,010 horsepower each, 192 miles per hour. Reliable machine provided vital logistical support, occasional light bombing capability. Handley Page Harrow. Handley Page Harrow, 100 produced. Obsolescent heavy bomber quickly found true niche as dependable transport aircraft. Twin Bristol Pegasus XX engines, 925 horsepower each, 200 miles per hour, moved cargo personnel throughout global theaters of operation. Armstrong Whitworth Albemarle. Armstrong Whitworth Albemarle, 600 built. Originally designed as medium bomber, found ultimate purpose as highly successful troop transport, crucial glider tug. Twin Bristol Hercules, 11 engines, 1,590 horsepower each, 265 miles per hour. Notably served during D-Day landings. Avro York. Avro York, 258 produced. Successful transport aircraft derived directly from famous Lancaster bomber design. 4 Rolls-Royce Merlin engines, 1,280 horsepower each, 298 miles per hour. Rugged reliability made it essential carrying high-ranking officials vital supplies across globe. Vickers Warwick. Vickers Warwick, 845 built. Designed as heavy bomber replacement, never used that role. Twin Bristol Centaurus, or Pratt Whitney engines, 224 miles per hour. Became invaluable as long-range air-sea rescue transport, coastal patrol aircraft instead. Airspeed Consul. Airspeed Consul, 162 wartime production. Post-war civilian conversion, but basic design served extensively during war years. Twin Armstrong Siddeley Cheetah engines, 395 horsepower each, 170 miles per hour. Used for high-speed communications, general transport duties. Trainers and target tugs. Let's move on to trainers and target tugs. De Havilland Tiger Moth. De Havilland Tiger Moth, 8,868 produced. Quintessential primary trainer aircraft, absolute cornerstone pilot production. De Havilland Gypsy Major engine, 130 horsepower, 109 miles per hour. Thousands of Commonwealth pilots first learned flying on this reliable, robust biplane. Miles Magister. Miles Magister, 1,303 built. Designed to eventually replace Tiger Moth as primary trainer aircraft. De Havilland Gypsy Major engine, 130 horsepower, 132 miles per hour. Enclosed cockpit, more modern handling, prepared pilots for faster monoplane fighters. Miles Master. Miles Master, 3,249 produced. Crucial link between basic training and frontline fighters like Hurricane. Rolls-Royce Kestrel engine, 715 horsepower, 242 miles per hour. High-performance machine taught cadets how to handle fast, retractable gear monoplanes. Miles Martinet. Miles Martinet, 1,724 built. Derived from master trainer, specialist aircraft towed aerial targets for live fire practice. Bristol Mercury XX or XXX engine, 870 horsepower, 240 miles per hour. Necessary but dangerous job improving anti-aircraft gunnery skills. Airspeed Oxford. Airspeed Oxford, 8,751 produced. Highly successful twin-engine trainer, taught everything from navigation bombing to radio operation. Twin Armstrong Siddeley Cheetah engines, 355 horsepower each, 188 miles per hour. vital for training future multi-engine crew members. Avro Anson. Avro Anson, 11,020 produced. Known as Faithful Annie, versatile twin-engine aircraft served simultaneously coastal reconnaissance machine, comprehensive multi-engine trainer. Twin Armstrong-Siddeley Cheetah engines, 350 horsepower each, 188 miles per hour, throughout entire war. De Havilland Domini. De Havilland Domini, over 500 produced. Small, elegant biplane primarily used for communications transporting personnel, providing advanced radio navigation training. De Havilland Gypsy 6 engine, 200 horsepower, 157 miles per hour. Within RAF throughout conflict. De Havilland Queen Bee. De Havilland Queen Bee, 420 built. Radio-controlled version of Tiger Moth, these drones provided realistic moving targets. De Havilland Gypsy Major engine, 130 horsepower, 109 miles per hour. Both anti-aircraft gunners, fighter pilots, during crucial combat training exercises. Percival Prentice. Percival Prentice, approximately 250 wartime production. Designed during conflict, 3-seat primary trainer provided excellent visibility, stability. De Havilland Gypsy Queen 2 engine, 210 horsepower, 143 miles per hour. Aimed to offer better handling characteristics than earlier training types. Miles Gemini. Miles Gemini, 170 produced. Small twin-engine communications light transport aircraft provided rapid movement, essential personnel across various airfields. Twin de Havilland Gypsy Major engines, 145 horsepower each, 150 miles per hour. During later war years. Gliders. Finally, assault gliders. Airspeed Horsa. Airspeed Horsa, 3,655 built. RAF's primary troop-carrying glider, carried up to 28 troops or heavy equipment. 88-foot wingspan assault glider played crucial silent role major operations like D-Day and Arnhem. General Aircraft Hamilcar. General Aircraft Hamilcar, 412 produced. Huge glider designed specifically to carry heavy vehicles, including light tanks, self-propelled guns, straight onto battlefield. 110-foot wingspan heavy cargo glider, logistical marvel of its time. General Aircraft Hotspur. General Aircraft Hotspur, 1,015 built. Initially intended as small 8-man assault glider, quickly relegated purely training duties. 61-foot wingspan training glider prepared pilots for larger, more complex operational gliders. Slingsby Hengist. Slingsby Hengist, only 18 produced. Specialized training glider used to give initial towing landing experience to pilots. 80-foot wingspan eventually flew massive operational assault gliders into combat zones.
From 7,377 Lancasters dropping 22,000-pound Grand Slams to 8,068 Tiger Moths training Commonwealth pilots, these 29 aircraft types completed Britain's World War II arsenal. The heavy bombers struck German industry. The Sunderlands patrolled the Atlantic. The trainers produced the pilots. The gliders carried troops to Normandy. Combined with Part 1's fighters and bombers, 60 British-built aircraft types secured Allied victory.